The Forbidden City is so huge. It consists 980 buildings and covers over 180 acres.
Hey, I'm gonna show you something amazing. Inside, everything is made by gold. Do you see it? Those are pure gold, real gold.
This building is called the Hall of Central Harmony, which is made by pure gold and was used by the emperor to prepare and rest before and during ceremonies. This is the Hall of Preserving Harmony, which was used by rehearsing ceremonies and was also the site of the final stage of Imperial examination. Cininggong Garden, also known as the Palace of Compassion and Tranquility, is daily used for relaxation and pleasure by the Empresses and Ladies of the royal households. The Imperial Garden is a beautiful garden for the emperor and concubines to relax and have fun. According to the history, there are many concubines and even maids come to the Imperial Garden just to wait to see the emperor and wish to become his favorite one.
So now I've already exited the palace. It was super big, but a lot of places you cannot get in. Probably they have some restriction, whatever. But anyway, I do enjoy it, and now my feet are extremely hurt. I'm not sure later what I'm gonna do.